Where's the eggs? Look on your Thomas train. Oh, you gotta get it. Oh, what's in there? Open it up. Oh, did you find more?
Yeah.
Cool.
What's up in it?
No, keep looking. I think there's more.
Go on the coffee table and find more.
Put them on the floor and then go look for more of them. I'm making a video of it. You silly boy. Oh, you got lots of eggs, huh?
I want all the eggs. I'll find these cameras.
Did you turn the ionic thing on? It smells weird again.
I'll find these flying. They're funny. I found
What color?
orange.
Yeah.
I'll find these cameras. All of them. I'll find these awesome.
There's more. Keep looking.
Huh?
Like how he does it in a straight line, the eggs.
Huh?